Sairam, now we are in the final stage. That is a last video of the how to create a edit form of a specific information. That's we are in the final stage. Mostly the edit form is fully completed. Now we are in the grid form, how to call the edit form. Okay. So to call the edit form, I need to click on the edit button, Control J. Let me check with the buttons in the table control. Okay. So here, the edit button is here. So it has a function button edit include FNS. This is a function need to be called to click on the edit. All right. Okay. Once you click on this particular function, what this function actually does? It is similar to delete function. A delete function already we have witnessed. We have gone through in the in the previous videos. Okay. So similarly, let me show you that. See, in the edit button, we are going to slice the ID whichever passed. So what is the ID getting passed here? Is this start ID. What is this start ID? This start ID is nothing but the ID of this particular button edit. So the ID of button edit, what is the ID of button edit going to be? So button edit followed by an increment value. What is that increment value? It's going to be a numerical value like 12, 13, whatever. So to get that increment value, what I need to do? I need to slice it. Slice the particular ID. So what is the level? At what level it has to be sliced? Because the length of the button edit is 7 characters. So I'll slice 7 characters so that I get the increment value LID. Okay. Which we have seen detailing in the delete button also. The similar process we are implementing here. Okay. And once the LID is, we got the LID, that when increment value is got, getting employee ID is not a big deal. So I can get employee ID plus LID, that is increment. So using get element by ID, I get the information that employee ID, I got that employee ID. And this employee ID, I'll be passing to the edit form. That's it. So already you know how to create an URL because the URL should have edited equal to 1 and ampersand. We have seen in detail what is this ampersand. Ampersand ID equal to plus employee ID. So this by default, this is a string. Okay. This is a string that you have given the value plus one more string. What is this string? Employee ID. That is the ID of that particular employee. That is passed as a parameter. And once this is executed, automatically what will happen? The row will be passed on to the employee edit.php with the parameter. That's what happening. Let me check that. What really happens here. Okay, let me go back. Just push on. Okay. So this is the information. I'm going to click on the edit button. If I click on the edit button, automatically the edit information will be populated. Right. So the parameter is passed. The parameter is passed because we have sliced the button edit ID name, got the incremented value, assigned to the employee ID. That employee is assigned to the parameter, and that is assigned to the URL, and URL is called, and we got the edit. That's it. So the edit part is fully completed. So that's about all about editing a form. So hope you understood. You can anytime you can WhatsApp me or mail me if you have any doubts, so that we will try to rectify it. With that, I'll close this particular video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.